Fidel Bigali, olchairman w'abahingi ba Kisoro Potato Growers Cooperative Union, agambire TV West ngu nibenda government bahereza sente zimangu nuko factory yabetandishe kukora.
If the government is releasing the money or the seed, we are praying that need to be given to the union because we are all organized, leadership, trained. What we are lacking is the materials. But now we can now plant. 4 months we are ready to supply this factory. Whatever quality they want from us, we are ready.
Kwabire nagamba n'abantu aba, Minisita w'ebya sente Matia Kasaija agizire government neza kukora n'amani kureba ngu sente z'abahingi barikwenda ngu factory egitandiche zarebuka bazibahereze omu bwire butari bwahare.
And other things, but to get the market. To me, I see that one as one of the biggest challenge. But you have also a challenge of funding.
Minisita bwanyuma yo kurambura factory egi ashabera abahingi obutaho mumani go kuhinga emondi bitu ngbagubize mbahinje nyingi kugira ngo factory yabo yatandikire etabura byo kukoresekagwa.
We can't do things all at a go. Rome was never built in a day. I would like that you have, if you, I'm sure, Tommy may not be, but maybe doctor here, you help them or these young men here. You help them to work a strategic plan based over a 5-year period.
Abahinji bamwe bagambire TV West ngu batamirwe cha government ogumane baraganise mbeho bitu bashabangwa ha murundogu nibenda ngo bayambe batunja katareke mondi zabo.
Na cyane twagize umugisha wo kubona factory hano Gisoro yo kugira ngo tuzitorezane mondi rero baduhe sente. Imbuto zacu tukunze guhinga Kinigina Rwashaki. Rero Kinigina Rwashaki twasanze factory itari gukorengana nazo neza, none turi mu gihe cyo kugira ngo duhabwe imbuto nziza yashobora gukorengana ni factory yacu, rero tukabona sente.
Ni nsimba munonga habwe gi factory yo bambikira hampaha abo kugira ngo tukuba turahinga byo kurya tutwira mu mishozi ndengwa etine mihanda mbwe nuko batera hakatare ka factory twasima ngo natwe twinge mondi koko turahinge rero baza kuzigura abo kwa tuwe turazeza twazisya kuriya tubura abo kuzigura orija kuzigura agura hakasete kake zero tuhendwa konka kutwatumira katare hano nituza kutunga collective nanga centers bije bazirete bagure batuhebe ibonire nakwe tunga kasete katubukire tubone fees zo kwereza abana.
President Yoweri Museveni agatayira factory egi omukwezi ko kubanze 2015 nuko kusiga yaragira government hereza abahinji sente batandikire kukora konkane gishaha factory tekatandikaga. Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.